Birds had made their home on it. Rust had taken over its body, and time had almost erased the legend it once was. But some people don't see an old machine. They see a story waiting to be brought back to life. The forgotten Harley was finally rescued, and a new restoration journey began. Every single part was removed carefully, because bringing back a legend starts with understanding every detail. Years of corrosion had to be removed piece by piece, with patience, skill, and dedication. The heart of this machine was rebuilt, preparing the legendary engine to roar again. The damaged frame was repaired and strengthened, giving this old motorcycle a second chance. After years of being forgotten, a new coat of paint revealed the beauty hidden underneath. Piece by piece, the Harley started becoming the machine it was always meant to be. After months of hard work, the Harley was finally complete, but when it was time for the first start, something unexpected happened. They checked everything, the engine, the wiring, and every small detail. Then one mechanic opened the fuel tank, and everyone started.
After decades of silence, the engine finally came alive again.
This was more than a restoration. It was the return of a forgotten American legend. Some machines never die,